How to filter in DRF Serializer using a self-referencing recursive field. Using Python 3.x and the django-rest-framework. I have a serializer with a recursive field, onSelf, which works as expected. However, I need a way to initially filter the nested children it returns by active equals true. I've tried different ways to filter children by active equals true, but I'm unable to get this working on the nested children that are returned in the serializer. Here's what I have. This is what I have tried, but get the error list serializer object has no attribute query set. However, I'm not even sure this would work.
If I understand well, you are trying to serialize menu objects in a hierarchical way. To do that, I guess you serialize recursively your top-level menu objects, don't you? Or else you will get all menu objects at the top level. To be able to filter active children only, I would suggest to create a active_children property on your model. Then you can use that as a source for your children field in your serializer. Now you should only have active children when serializing. Note that you should also filter top-level objects in your query set, as the filtering above only works for the children in menu objects.
There is a more dynamic solution for this issue. When you send the many equals true quark to the recursive field, serializer, it uses the list serializer with the same args and quarks, with some limitations, for getting the objects, and then uses the recursive field for all children. In this flow, the list serializer is the default listing serializer. You can change it by the meta of the recursive field. You can see in the code. The ordering will be applied in the to_representation method of the list serializer. We have to provide the ordering value, and the only way to send the ordering value is by sending it to recursive field. Quarks are sent to list serializer in the __new__ method, so we can pop the ordering value in __init__. Thus recursive field will not raise an unexpected quark error. The list serializer quarks are limited with constants in the rest_framework.serializers.list_serializer_quarks. We have to add ordering quark there too, in order to work with ordering value in the list serializer. Then we can order the data without any scenario-specific code. You can use the recursive field like this, anywhere you want.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.